Univision.
Yes.
The artist today?
Yes.
Maybe born and star today.
Hey, I like you. Gracias.
Oh, Mito for the beat.
Plant that you have here, that is the biggest agave that you can find in my country.
Sure.
It was very important here because we're in a semi-desertic area. We don't have a lot of choices. We don't have forests. Mountains with a lot of cactus, agaves, and some plants with a lot of prickles.
Yeah,
okay?
we saw.
It's very important because the people discover a lot of choices from the plant. The legend tells us that the plant is the same Mayagüey goddess.
Right.
That was the mother of the 400 goddess of the alcohol. She's producing a lot of milk, life that he has between inside for give to it to the child.
To the child,
okay?
yeah. Gracias.
Then also, she's a woman. She means fertility, love, abundance, sexuality.
Yes. Life. Yeah.
She has a very symbolic piece here. Isn't close to the mouth. It comes from the nose because it's her spirit, it's her soul that is coming. It has a big lips, that's like a headdress. The other goddess have a lot of feathers, have a lot of jewelry. She's
Something like
She's
that.
a light, like a light.
Right.
Rich, but a sun.
Oh.
Then
Yeah.
also, she has here two colors.
So black,
Yes.
red, and white. Black and red.
Sexuality, and light.
Pardon me?
She used a big band here.
Right.
Because they use it because your, how you say umbilical? I don't know.
Like the belly button.
it has,
Let's say things like
this is
that.
the big center of energy. Good
Okay.
energy. But when the
Yeah.
energies are bad and not good for you, you need a closet. You need a closet because you need your spirit for yourself.
Okay.
Okay,
So
that's
it's
important.
container.
Then,
Important.
the plant, again, lives 15 years, blooms one time in their life, and it finishes, dies. It has a big center, a big heart, where are burning the new leaves. We call here Meyolote. It is this piece. I'm gonna touch it, I'm gonna move it because it's the center.
All right.
It's the middle.
I get it. So-
When it don't produce more leaves, 14 years old, it's gonna give us a long pause. You can watch the other one over there in the corner.
This one on
It's
there.
another kind of agave. This is very small, but it's too long. Give us the flowers in the end, and when it's finished, that's
Finito.
fin finito, fin panito. Okay.
Sí.
When the piece it's young like now, when the plant has only 10 years old, with a big knife in obsidiana. Do you know obsidiana?
Obsidiana, yep, we passed
Okay.
it. The glass.
Lava from volcanoes. They made a big knives and a lot of tools with this volcanic glass. They cut all the heart. After that, take the heart. They use a sharp spoon and they will
Oh.
scrub every day, morning and afternoon.
Right.
They open the pores into the heart of the plant, and then the juice that it has into the leaves go down very slowly, and it's keep it into the heart.
Right.
The liquid, remember, is the milk, is the life.
From the woman. Yeah.
It is rich in sugar, vitamins, and it has some bacteria, probiotics like the yogurt, but they are vegetable, they are natural, they're very healthy for the stomach. One of those plants produces a gallon a day of this liquid by 7 months alone, then finish and dies too. Then, every day, morning and afternoon, we need to get the juice from the plant. Long time ago, they don't have too much tools, okay?
Okay.
One very special squash. They paint something like this after I show you.
Oh, gracias.
It's a
Gracias,
squash.
Anthony.
It's a long one. It has two holes stuck on the bottom.
It looks like a club, you know, the caveman.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure.
like
We
the
call
club.
here acocote.
Acocote.
The
Acocote.
thinner part is put into the heart of the plant. Then up, you're gonna suck.
Suck it.
Then you suck it out. Then you will keep the liquid into the containers. Asian people don't use more than clay balls. If you just keep it for 12 hours, it's gonna ferment it by itself.
Right.
sugar, temperature, batteries help us to make this process.
Perfecto.
After 12 hours, we have a holy drink. Special alcohol that we call pulque. It's like a milk, rich in proteins, vitamins, amino sugar, probiotics, amino acids. So many energetic elements for the body. Was drinking by pregnant women, was drinking by warriors, by ancient people, by sick people, by child, because it's energetical. The alcohol is low, 3, 4, 6% too much. But they fermented the liquid also with special plants or mushrooms that are psychotropics. Then, when it has 10% of alcohol, they offer the gods, they made special rituals, they carve special containers with obsidian for make those ceremonies, and after they finish the ritual, they drink a lot of pulque. Then, the alcohol, the hallucinogens, go to your head, and in a short time, you are talking probably with the 400 grams of alcohol.
¿Cuánto? Dios míos.
People tell us that our pulque was the reason that we are a lot of population in the country.
All right.
Like the Teotihuacan Bayaga.
Yeah. Oh, okay, Antonio.
Okay. But very important also that in the heart of the plant, we have a paper. That's the unique one that we have in the center of Mexico. It's an agave paper that we call here michiote. Okay. ¿Quieres un mello?
Okay,
Here, those leaves, we have a paper. We have a papyrus that we call here meyolote. Meyolote in my language means the middle of the plant.
Middle of the plant. They send like the central. Sure.
It's Nahuatl language. Watch now, that is really sharp. Okay, the paper, and we'll paint here the name.
Gracias.
Because the Aztecs, another big civilization, they're gonna use our paper for paint codex.
Okay.
They use natural inks, very bright colors, and after that I painted, they cover all with a bee wax to conserve it flat. Today in the area, we use the paper for cook. We are cooking long time ago with the paper. We wrap meat, cactus fruit with the paper, and it gives us a really good taste.
Perfecto.
Michiote. We have 2 layers. One in, and another one here outside. The first brush here, you have some shampoo. It's good for clean. It's antiseptic, it's antibiotic, it's shampoo. Then the points also were very important because they were the first weapons that they had for hunting and fishing small animals. They made arrowheads, they made cerbatans, they made something else. Also, see, you can do it, no problem. Okay, it was broken. Because the real one,
You would be like, ay.
no, we made more sacrifices today. With this point, they use also
Yes.
for piercings. They made tattoos. They use as a punishment. They use as a pen for right.
Consequence.
Sure.
Okay.
But also, and here, very good needle and thread together already to sewing. I have here needle and thread together already to sewing.
Right.
That's the unique fiber that you will find here. It's after when a people comes with obsidian.
So it's very universal, you know, can use for
It's a big gift of the gods. Okay. I'm gonna cut a song. One that you can watch now. That here. Okay. And coming the threads. Needle and thread together. All ready to sew. It's in a fiber. It's very resistant. You can watch now that they were wearing cloth.
Yes.
It was made with fiber. It was made with this fiber. They paint, they made a big thread, they use a belt loom, and they are making a lot of pieces. Come here.